Alternative farming methods are growing in the country and have the potential to become a multi-billion rand sector that could drive job creation for youth.
We saw from COP26 this year that Africa is going to be the most impacted when it comes to climate change. A follow-on and a knock-on effect from that is around food security. Aquaponic social enterprises is a sustainable way for producing food.
Aqua farming is one of the alternatives being explored.
Fish live in a fish tank, which just by living in, they create ammonia in the water. The pump then turns on 15 minutes of every hour and it pumps the water from the fish tank over to the grow beds where the vegetables are planted in gravel. That gravel contains a natural bacteria which takes the ammonia out of the water and turns it into nitrates and nitrites, which are basically fertilizers for the plants.
But key challenges persist.
We need as many companies and the government to come through and say, this is farming, it's new, it's different, it is viable, you can do it in the city, you can do it in rural areas, and they need to come to the party.
As an individual, like an ordinary person, it might be quite challenging to be able to set up a system like this, your greenhouses and the actual system built. So you might need some kind of assistance, might be government grants, from the Department of Agriculture or from the local municipalities that should be able to support aspiring farmers.
Strict and prohibitive regulations and a lack of access to capital or investment are some barriers to the industry.
In our case, we took like close to 3-4 years to eventually get a funding in Eastern Cape.
While alternatives have been put in place to encourage the sector,
many funding mechanisms are available in South Africa, emanating in the form of loans, equity, government grants and incentives.
It's been criticized for its slow pace and red tape. Nozintombi, Miya, SABC News, Johannesburg.